Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a frog, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make two medium-sized circles that are pretty close to each other. So I have one and I have two. I'm going to connect those two circles together with a curved line that looks like this. Inside each of these circles, I'm going to make another circle. And I'm going to cut each circle that I have right here in half with a straight line. And then underneath on the bottom side of the line, I'm going to make a semicircle, which is half a circle. And I'm going to fill that in with color. So these are the eyes and these are the top of our frog's head. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and make the bottom part of our frog's head. So I just make a really wide letter U. And then I'm going to add a mouth, and frogs have mouths that go all the way across their face. And then I'm going to add two nostrils. Those are just super long ovals that are filled in. Now I'm going to come down here for his body. I'm going to make a curved line coming this way and a curved line coming this way. And then for his back legs, I'm going to make an upside down J that actually touches this first line at the bottom, and do the same thing on this side. Now coming out from this area, I'm going to make some feet. So a curved lines coming in for his toes and then close up. Let me show you again how I did that. A curved line, and then I make three more curved lines like this, and then I close up. Those are going to be his back feet. His front feet are going to be right here in the front. So I make two straight lines for each foot, and then at the bottom we make our feet. So we have diagonal line, and then three upside down U's. Diagonal line, and then three upside down U's. Now I'm going to close up the bottom of his body right here, just like that. Now if you'd like to make a little tongue sticking out or something right here for his face, for his mouth, excuse me, you can do something like that. You can add a few little circles up here at the top and on the knees for some detail. It's completely up to you if you'd like to decorate your frog. You can also make something that goes like this, like an upside down letter U, that'll add a little bit more detail to his tummy. All right, for the background, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him sitting on a lily pad. So lily pads are they're pretty round. I'm going to start with a curved line, make a V, and then continue my curved line. So basically it would be like making a curved line, but in the middle of those two curved lines, I'm going to make a V. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So curved line, V, and then I continue with my line. So he's sitting on a really big lily pad. Now I'm going to make a pond right here. So this is the pond, and then this will be the land right here. I think on the land I'm going to put some types of plants, so I'm going to make some plants that we find normally at ponds. So this is a type of plant. So we have really long curved lines, and then an oval at the end, and then a little line coming out the top. Can even have some coming out this way. This just adds a little bit of detail. If you'd like to put a few clouds in the sky, that's always a good idea. Whenever I'm making a picture like this and I feel like there's an area that maybe needs a little bit of detail, I'll just put a little cloud or a little sprig of grass or something. I think we need a little something right here. There we go. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.